If you want to build a house in Nigeria, then you should know that you will need building blocks for the construction of your house. But the question is, what size of blocks do you actually need for the construction of your house? Watch this video to the end as I show you the sizes of blocks used for house construction in Nigeria and their best areas of application. I will also show you the exact size of blocks you need for your house construction depending on the type of house that you want to build. Now, one of the subscribers to this channel who wanted to build a bungalow house in a waterlogged land was once wrongly advised to mold 5-inch blocks, whereas what she needed for the project was 6-inch blocks. So because she was wrongly advised to use 5-inch blocks for this project, she molded about 1,500 pieces of these 5-inch blocks. So when she contacted me, I advised her to use 6-inch blocks. So because for the construction of her house, which is the standard for the construction of bungalow houses in Nigeria, and luckily for her, she had not constructed or built the fence for her property. So the 5-inch blocks were now reserved for the construction of the fence, which means if she had done the fence on her property, she would have wasted the money she used in molding the 5-inch blocks. That is the reason why you need to have an understanding of the different sizes of blocks you need for your building construction project before embarking on the construction of your house. So, what are the sizes of blocks used for house construction in Nigeria? Now, before I go into the sizes of blocks used for house construction in Nigeria, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Emmanuel Amadi. I am a building contractor and I've been building houses in Nigeria for over 10 years now. So on this channel, I share information on housing, real estate, and building construction. And if you have any inquiry regarding building construction or anything related to that, you can use the email address on this channel to contact me, or you can simply send me a message with either of the 2 WhatsApp numbers I provided on this channel. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel because if you subscribe, it is an encouragement for me to keep making content like this, and also like this video so that other people will get to see it. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Ask any question you have so that I will gladly reply to your questions. Now back to the sizes of blocks used for house construction in Nigeria.
Now, the 3 block sizes used for house construction in Nigeria are the 6-inch block size, the 5-inch block size, and the 9-inch block size. And the size of block you will need for your building project will depend on the type of house you are building. And shortly in this video, we will see the best areas to apply these block sizes. The 6-inch block size is any block whose thickness is 6 inches, and it is of 2 types, the solid 6-inch block and the hollow 6-inch block. The hollow 6-inch block has 2 holes in it, while the solid 6-inch block has no holes in it, which is why it is a solid block. The 9-inch block size is generally a hollow block, and it has a thickness of 9 inches. And shortly in this video, I will tell you the best situation to use the 9-inch block size for house construction in Nigeria. The 5-inch block size is simply a solid block with 5 inches of thickness, and later in the video, I will show you the areas where you can apply 5-inch block size while building a house in Nigeria.
So in what situation should any of these block sizes be used during building construction? Now let us look at the best areas of application of these block sizes during.
So in what situation should any of these block sizes be used in building construction? Now, the 6-inch block size is used for the construction of bungalow houses in Nigeria. However, in some cases, it can be mixed with the 9-inch block size for the construction of story houses, depending on the nature of the soil and depending on the area where it is to be applied. Now, the 6-inch hollow block is also used for the construction of bungalow houses, but it is not advisable to use it at the foundation stage because the 6-inch solid block will serve better at the foundation of a bungalow as it can bear more load than the hollow block. The 9-inch hollow block is mainly used for the construction of story houses, especially for the construction of the foundation, ground floor, and first floor levels of story houses. The 5-inch solid block can be used for the construction of block fences, though it is more advisable to use the 6-inch block for the construction of fences. Also, the 5-inch block can be applied in some areas in the construction of bungalows, especially in the creation of small spaces like the toilets and stores.
Now, if you are building a duplex in Nigeria, the 9-inch block size is what you will need for the construction of your house. Also, if you are building a story house or any house that has upper floors, then you will need the 9-inch block size during the construction of your house, especially for the foundation construction and for the ground floor construction. Now, using 6-inch block size on any aspect of any house that has upper floors should be based on the advice of your engineer or your builder. In other words, if there is any reason why you should use 6-inch block size while building a block of flats or a duplex on any part of the building, then you need to seek the counsel of your builder or your engineer on site. Now, in conclusion, the size of blocks needed for the construction of your house should be determined by your builder or by your engineer or by your building contractor on site. And this video is mainly to give you an idea of block sizes used for house construction in Nigeria. And you have no reason to determine the size of blocks that should be used during the building of your house. So leave that task to your builder or to your engineer or to your building contractor. So that is it, the sizes of blocks used for house construction in Nigeria and their best areas of application. Now, this video is just to give you an idea, just like I said in the beginning of the video, to give you an idea of the sizes of blocks you will need for the construction of your house. Now, you have to align with your builder or with your engineer so that he will determine the actual sizes of blocks you need for the construction of your house, and this will be based on the type of house you are building and also based on the nature of soil you are building on. Now, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Emmanuel Amadi. I am a building contractor based in Nigeria, and on this channel I share information on housing, real estate, and building construction so that you will have idea and knowledge of what to do while starting a building construction project in Nigeria. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, because if you subscribe to the channel, it will encourage me to make more content like this. Also, like this video so that other people will get to see the video. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will answer every question you ask. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, and I wish you success in your endeavor or on your journey to building your own house in Nigeria. I love you.